Let's go over the proficiency check for number 11, absolute value in multivariable equations, to get you ready for a retake. Number 1, solve for x. When we have the absolute value of something is equal to a positive number, we split this and it becomes x over 4 is equal to 12, or x over 4 is equal to negative 12. On both sides, we're going to multiply by 4. And this gives us x is equal to 48, or x is equal to negative 48. And we can rewrite this as x is equal to plus or minus 48 if we like. Number 2. Again, we have the absolute value of something is equal to a positive number. So we split it and make it x plus 2 equals 8, or x plus 2 is equal to negative 8. We subtract 2 from both sides. Either x is 6 or x is negative 10. For number 3, we are solving for x, which means we need to move anything that is not an x to the other side. The most common mistake here is that 13 plus y is not 14. It's just 13 plus y, a number plus a letter. When we divide by 2, we must divide everything by 2, so x is equal to, we can leave it as 13 halves, plus y over 2. Solving for z, we'll divide by y on both sides, so z is equal to 4 over y. Number 5, the absolute value of something is equal to a positive number. So we take that something and set it equal to a positive 6, or set it equal to a negative 6. In this case, when we subtract 6 from both sides, we get negative 2x is equal to 0. So when we divide by negative 2, it's just x equals 0. On the other side, negative 2x is equal to negative 12. So when we divide by negative 2, x is equal to 6. Those are our two possible answers. Number 6, we have the absolute value of something divided by 7 is equal to 3. So first thing we do is we multiply both sides by 7. And then we have 7x plus 4 is equal to 21. Or 7x plus 4 is equal to negative 21. Minus 4 from both sides. 7x is equal to 17. When we divide by 7, we get x equals 17 sevenths. Or when we subtract 4 from both sides, we get 7x is equal to negative 25. And when we divide by 7, we end up with x is equal to negative 25 sevenths. For number 7, solving for y, we can add 3y to both sides and subtract 10 from both sides. On the left, we end up with 7x minus 13. This cancels out. The 10's cancel out. Is equal to y. And we're done. Number 8, we multiply both sides by 4. We get xz minus 3 is equal to 4. Add 3 to both sides. Xz is 7. Divide by x. Z is equal to 7 over x. Number 9, there's multiple things that are outside of the absolute value brackets, so our goal is to cancel these out first. We subtract 2, following the order of operations in reverse. We get negative 5 times the absolute value of 5x minus 5 is equal to negative 75. When we divide both sides by a negative 5, we get the absolute value of 5x minus 5 is equal to 15. So we have 5x minus 5 is 15, or 5x minus 5 is a negative 15. If we add 5, 5x is equal to 20. When we divide by 5, x is 4. On this side, we have 5x equals negative 10. When we divide by 5, we get x equals negative 2. Number 10, we add 9 to both sides. 6 times the absolute value of 1 minus 5x is equal to 66. When we divide by 6, the absolute value of 1 minus 5x is equal to 11. So we split this. 1 minus 5x is equal to 11, or 1 minus 5x is equal to negative 11. subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 5x is equal to 10. Divide by negative 5. X equals negative 2. Or, subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 5x equals negative 12. Divide by negative 5. X equals 12/5. Number 11, to solve for k, we're going to multiply both sides by p. This gives us that PV is equal to KT. We divide both sides by t, and this is our final answer as the t's go away. Number 12, to solve for L, we're going to add 2w to both sides, so we get p plus 2w is equal to 2L. Since when you take p plus 2w, they're not like terms, you can't combine them. When we divide everything by 2, we get p over 2 plus w, as that cancels out, is equal to L.